Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Bruno from Encanto. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Bruno, we're going to begin with the eyes. I'm going to begin right here, and we're going to begin by just making a circle for an eye. Then we're going to leave some space, and we're going to make another circle over here for another eye. I'm going to put a little black dot inside each one for the pupils. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and I'm just going to curve it around for his nose. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line across. And we're going to go down and then come up here for his mouth. And we'll draw a little line across for the tongue. And we'll just color this part in for his mouth. Now we're going to start right up here. We're going to do a little bit of his hair before we make the rest of his face. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a couple little lines that kind of go down with some points. And I'll do the same thing here. I'll put one more, and then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And we're going to go out and come back in. And I'll put a couple more little points there. I'm going to add two little lines above the eyes for eyebrows. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little half oval shape for an ear, and another one over here for the other ear. Next I'm going to make two lines that come down for the neck, and a little V shape right here. Now starting up here, I'm going to make some little kind of lines that go out and then they come back in. And we're going to make them kind of wavy and bumpy, so he's got some kind of long, wavy, curly hair. So we're just going to make these kind of like wavy, bumpy hair all around here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side. And I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and a line that's going to come down here. Make them come down a little bit farther. And I'm going to make a line across. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. And then I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to draw a little line that goes out. And then it's going to come back up here. I'll draw another little line out here to show where his hand is. Next, I'm going to bring this line back. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. Then I'm going to make two more little lines right here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then in. And then a little line that's going to come down. Make a little curved line here, and then a little line right here for his other hand. I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and up. And then one here, it's going to go down, over, and up. We'll make a little rectangle shape underneath each one. Make two lines that come down. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes out and a line that comes out here. I'm going to put a few little bumps on here and then bring it back. And I'll do the same thing here. We're going to put a few little bumps for toes and we're going to bring it back. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and curve around. And same thing here, we're going to go down and curve around. Then we'll make two little lines across here and two little lines right across here. Now we want to put the little mouse on here. So I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and in for the nose. Then I'm going to make a little circle shape right here. And then a little line here and a little line here. I'm going to put a couple little black dots for eyes and a little black dot for the nose. And I'll do a big circle shape for an ear and another one here. Do another circle here and then one here. A little curved line for the leg and a little curved line for the back leg. And then we're going to make a little line for the tail. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and a line that's going to go up to kind of show where his little hood is. Then right here on the detail, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down and over. Another one that's going to go down and over. And then a long, little skinny line right down the middle. Then right underneath the eyes, I'm going to put a little line underneath each eye. And there you go. There is your drawing of Bruno from Encanto. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.